If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in bright white. With BI-XENON high-intensity discharge headlamps, LED daytime running headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright side roof rails, LED tail lamps, bright exhaust tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 3.5-inch cluster with TFT black and white display, 5-inch touchscreen display, park view rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, audio jack input for mobile devices, rear 60/40 folding split recline seats, remote start system, Jeep cargo management system, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3184A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.